Have you been wondering how to get a good night's sleep without over-the-counter medications that have lots of side effects, including making you feel groggy when you wake up? Well, today I'm going to tell you all about Serenity, a blend of several essential oils that can make you sleep naturally and wake up refreshed. And there are no side effects or addictions. Hi, I'm Lori Funderburk, an essential oil user and educator. Go ahead and subscribe so you can be notified every time I upload a brand new video. I'm excited to give you the chance to grab my free Essential Oils Made Easy guide. All you got to do is click the description below to find both of those links. Now let's talk about Serenity. The newly updated Serenity Restful Blend has a calming and relaxing aroma that provides a unique user experience. This perfectly balanced, tranquil blend can be sensed immediately, transporting the user to a state of bliss, especially if used at bedtime. The blend is made up of lavender, ylang-ylang, Hawaiian sandalwood, marjoram, Roman chamomile, and vanilla oils. The addition of cedar wood, hoe wood, and vetiver essential oils gives Serenity a grounding aroma that encourages a tranquil atmosphere when it comes to time to wind down. This blend can be used in conjunction with Serenity soft gels for an incredible night's sleep. Serenity Blend creates a relaxing atmosphere while the soft gels promote a restful night's sleep. So let's talk about some times you could use Serenity. When you start to feel the stress of life weigh on you, take time to stop. Take the top off the bottle of Serenity and just smell it. It can create a perfect escape from intense emotions with its calming fragrance. Next time you find yourself in a stressful situation, diffuse Serenity. Now, getting a good night's sleep can sometimes be challenging. We know that. If constant thoughts are keeping you awake at night, or you have difficulty calming a restless child for bedtime, apply Serenity to the bottoms of your or your child's feet to help wind down before going to sleep and to promote relaxation. Serenity can also be diffused to encourage a restful sleeping environment. Treat yourself to a relaxing bath with the Serenity Essential Oil Blend. Fill your bath with water at a temperature you prefer and add 2 or 3 drops of Serenity along with Epsom salts. This will create a peaceful and renewing aroma that will help melt away tight emotions. Had a long day of work? Had a lot to do? Take time to de-stress and unwind. Start by adding Serenity to the diffuser of your choice and diffuse. Once you've begun to diffuse, find a comfortable position on a chair or couch and just close your eyes. Empty your mind of the task of the day and allow your thoughts to clear. Diffusing Serenity during moments like this will help promote relaxation and decrease stress. Now, finally, sometimes getting the extended family together can be a party, and other times, not so much. If tension is starting to rise during your family get-togethers, try adding a little Serenity in the diffuser. It will help diffuse tension when it may be running high. So Serenity Blend can be used aromatically or applied topically. The Serenity soft gels can be taken internally. So if you want a good night's sleep or you need to ease some tension, this is how you get it. And it's just one more way for you to take control of your family's health naturally. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.